I rise today to firmly and unequivocally defend the integrity, honor, and exemplary leadership of our esteemed Speaker, Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, against the baseless and malicious accusations hurled by Vice President Sara Duterte. First, let us confront the outrageous claim that the Speaker, a man who has dedicated his life to public service and the betterment of Filipino people, harbored any intent to harm the Vice President. Our Speaker has consistently demonstrated his commitment to democratic governance, transparency, and public service. Under his leadership, this House has passed landmark legislation to uplift the lives of our fellow Filipinos, recover from economic challenges, and ensure national security. These accusations are as hollow as they are reckless. They are not supported by facts, evidence, or any credible source. They are only to sow mistrust and undermine the Speaker's hard-earned credibility. Let us be clear. This House will not allow baseless mudslinging to derail our mission of serving the people.